I'm Daniel Pollard. I'm the brewmaster and director of operations of Bridger Brewing, and I'm also a manufacturing specialist at the Montana Manufacturing Extension Center at Montana State University.
What's that? Instead of reinventing the brew, what is the intention with this new facility?
So the new facility, the intention is to take what we're already doing well, making really good beer, and to make it much more scalable, much more efficient, and to do it in a way that really prevents our staff from getting injured, worn out. Eventually, I'd really like to be able to move us to a shorter work week as well would be really nice.
So what specialized systems are customized for this brewery?
Working with Jericho Studios, of course, on our audio and video has been really key. Music is pretty central to what we do.
We've installed 22 speakers here in the brewery on this side, and we've got another 20 going in over on the restaurant side, as well as cameras, data, all sorts of things. So it's a pretty cool project.
As far as the internal systems go on the brewing side, having really good sound throughout the facility, different zones, so no matter where you're working, you can maybe customize what you're listening to. That also ties in, of course, with our security systems here. Other specialized systems, of course, is the brew house itself, fully automated brew house. So that involves a whole raft of automation support, VPN capability for our support team from Germany to be able to get in and remote access and see exactly what we're seeing there. For our brew house specifically, having VPN access is very important because it is such a complicated brew house. You have literally hundreds of interface areas, whether it's valves or sensors or flow meters and things like that, where errors can arise. And so being able to have our network set up properly so that our team, whether it's our primary team based in Germany or their US subsidiary in Wisconsin, can remote in, see exactly what we're seeing and troubleshoot it without having to fly somebody out to Montana is really key.
Will there be like a hacker man who's like hiding back here, with like a dark hoodie and everything? Hack into the system. Yeah. That's what I thought.
Yeah.
I hear that Bridger is explicitly not doing pizza at this location.
The rumors are true.
So what direction do you think the food's going to go in?
I'm our brewmaster. I don't have any involvement in our kitchen, but I will do my best.
Rumor has it.
Rumor has it, yep. So Gordon, if you watch this, please forgive me. They will be doing kind of a flametop grill concept here. So that'll be locally sourced meats, vegetables, things like that, and then flame grilling and serving them up as either entrees or maybe on top of like a loaded salad, things like that. So as we get closer to opening here, keep an eye on our website and our social media for more dates. It's going to be a lot of fun to host people out here. And then on the beer side, we look forward to being in grocery stores here real soon, hopefully June, July.